In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Deferit for Business 2025. Let's start with what we're aiming for. Deferit lets your customers split eligible payments into manageable installments, while you provide a smoother checkout and potentially reduce friction at the point of sale. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each part so you can launch with confidence. First, sign up and get onboarded. Create a business account and complete the verification steps for your company and the authorized representative. You'll be asked for basic business details and to add a bank account for settlements. Review the merchant agreement, confirm fees and payout timing for your region, and set up your business profile as it will appear to customers. If a demo or sandbox is offered, keep that handy. You'll use it in a moment to test your flow before going live. Next, integrate or offer Deferit as a payment option. On a website, you can typically enable Deferit through an e-commerce plugin or your payment gateway settings. If you have a custom stack, use the provided API and follow the documentation for authentication, order creation, and callbacks. For in-store or invoiced payments, you can present Deferit via your POS, a QR code, or a secure payment link. Make sure the Deferit button is easy to spot, your terms and pricing are clear, and that you've run a test transaction end to end. Update your checkout messaging so customers know Deferit is available before they reach the final step. When a customer is ready to pay, they choose Deferit at checkout. They'll sign in or create an account, review the installment schedule, and confirm the payment. You'll see a real-time authorization and an approval or decline within seconds. Provide a clear order confirmation and next steps, just like you would for any other payment method. After the sale, Deferit collects from the customer in installments. You don't need to chase payments. Deferit handles the reminders and processing. Be transparent upfront about any fees the customer may incur and the timing of their installments, and keep your fulfillment process aligned with your policy so there are no surprises. Finally, manage and monitor. Use your merchant dashboard to track transactions, settlements, refunds, and any customer issues. Set up notifications for key events, export reports for reconciliation, and review performance regularly to see how Deferit impacts conversion and average order value. Train your team on the flow, place signage online or in store, and refresh your FAQs so support is ready to help. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to offer Deferit confidently and effectively.